fruit that prevents and kills cancer. While there is no single fruit that can definitively prevent or cure cancer, some fruits contain compounds that have shown potential in cancer prevention and treatment when consumed as part of a balanced and healthy diet. These fruits are rich in antioxidants, vitamins, and other beneficial compounds that may help reduce the risk of cancer or support cancer treatment. It's important to note that these fruits should not be seen as a replacement for medical treatment, but rather as part of a broader strategy for maintaining good health and reducing cancer risk. Here are some fruits that have been studied for their potential anti-cancer properties. Berries. Berries like strawberries, blueberries, raspberries, and blackberries are rich in antioxidants and vitamins, particularly anthocyanins and quercetin, which have been associated with reduced cancer risk in people. We should eat berries on a regular basis. Citrus fruits, oranges, grapefruits, lemons, and limes are high in vitamin C and other antioxidants. Vitamin C is known for its immune-boosting properties. Vitamin C is a powerful antioxidant, which means it helps protect cells from damage caused by free radicals. Free radicals are unstable molecules that can contribute to various health problems, including cancer and heart disease. Antioxidants like vitamin C neutralize these free radicals and may help protect against certain types of cancer. Tomatoes. Although often considered a vegetable, tomatoes are botanically fruits. They contain lycopene, an antioxidant that has been studied for its potential in reducing the risk of prostate cancer. Tomato, scientifically known as Solanum lycopersicum, is a versatile and widely consumed fruit that is often treated as a vegetable in culinary contexts. Known for its vibrant red color and juicy, slightly tangy flavor, the tomato is a staple ingredient in numerous cuisines. It is a rich source of essential nutrients, including vitamins C and K, as well as antioxidants like lycopene, which is associated with potential health benefits. Tomatoes can be enjoyed raw in salads, sandwiches, and salsas, or cooked into sauces, soups, and stews, making them a fundamental ingredient in countless dishes and a favorite among food enthusiasts everywhere. Grapes. Grapes, especially red grapes, contain resveratrol, a compound that has been investigated for its anti-cancer properties. Grapes, the small and succulent fruits of the vitis vine, are not only delicious but also packed with nutrients. Grapes are available in different colors, including red, green, and purple. Grapes are a natural source of antioxidants, particularly resveratrol, which may contribute to heart health. These bite-sized gems are also rich in vitamins like C and K, along with dietary fiber, which helps to kill cancer. Grapes are enjoyed fresh as a sweet and convenient snack or pressed into juice and fermented into wine. Apples. Apples are a good source of dietary fiber and contain quercetin, which has antioxidant and anti-inflammatory properties that may contribute to cancer prevention. Apples are a nutritious fruit and can be a healthy addition to everyone's diet. It is not accurate to claim that they kill cancer. Apples, like many fruits, contain antioxidants and dietary fiber that can support overall health, including a healthy immune system. Antioxidants in apples, such as quercetin, have been studied for their potential role in reducing cancer risk by preventing damage to DNA and cells. However, they are not a standalone cure or treatment for cancer. Cancer is a complex and multifaceted disease that requires specialized medical treatments. It's important to maintain a balanced diet and consult with healthcare professionals for proper cancer prevention and treatment strategies. Pomegranates. Pomegranates are rich in polyphenols, including ellagic acid and anthocyanins, which have been studied for their potential to inhibit cancer cell growth. Pomegranates are prized for their vibrant red seeds and sweet tart flavor. These ancient fruits have a rich history in various cultures and are celebrated for their potential health benefits. Packed with antioxidants, particularly punocollagen and anthocyanins, pomegranates are believed to support heart health and may have anti-inflammatory properties. They are also a good source of vitamin C and dietary fiber. Pomegranate seeds can be enjoyed fresh or sprinkled on salads, and their juice is a popular beverage. Avocado. Avocado is rich in healthy fats and contains antioxidants like lutein and zeaxanthin. Avocado is also good for diabetic people. As it controls the blood sugar level. Avocados also provide essential vitamins and minerals, including potassium, vitamin K, vitamin C, and folate. Their versatility in culinary applications is impressive, from spreading on toast to creating creamy guacamole and adding a delicious, creamy texture to salads and sandwiches. It also plays a role in cancer prevention, which is really unique. It's important to remember that while these fruits offer potential health benefits, they should be part of a well-rounded and balanced diet that includes a variety of fruits, vegetables, and other foods. Additionally, maintaining a healthy lifestyle, including regular exercise, keeps you fit, active, and healthy. You should avoid smoking, limiting alcohol consumption, and protecting your skin from excessive sun exposure, are all important factors in reducing the risk of cancer. If you have concerns about cancer treatment, then it is also necessary to consult a healthcare professional.